Hello everyone, so this is a presentation of Group 5 in our case study in which the credit company that we picked is the ASA Foundation Philippines. ASA Philippines is a non-profit non-stock corporation specializing in microfinance. The first branch that the foundation started with was in Camarin, Caloocan in August 2004. And as of today, the foundation has already expanded its operation nationwide. ASA Philippines Foundation Incorporation organization offers loans, capital build-up, scholarships, and medical assistance. So why did we choose ASA? We choose ASA because we have encouraged by our own thoughts and observations about this company. Nakita po namin na they're operating despite of this pandemic and willing to help pa rin yung company na to, especially for the poor people. And we think that this is really suit for our subject. So that one day we became more informative when it comes to credit and collection terms and conditions policy. So let's proceed to the vision and mission. So their vision is tulad ng ibang credit company, mabigyan or madagdagan yung income and savings of poor families and providing them a livelihood, goods and services. And ASA is really doing their best management when it comes to the cost. Syempre, yung makakaya talagang ipatong ng specific borrower. So, while yung overall mission naman nila is first, commitment ay para sa mga poor sectors in order for them to rise out. Second is para naman sa mga employees and staff ng ASA Foundation na kung saan is dapat ma-achieve nila yung goal na sinasabi ng company. And the last is yung mission ng founders and leaders of the foundation is dapat magagawa nila yung best sila of all the credit company. That is ASA Philippine Foundation. Let's proceed to the Chapter 2, the financial performance of the company. So, according to Sir Person, which is the secretary of the company, due to the pandemic SARS of 2020, yung expected credit loss of the company is uncertainty there. Dahil nga sa mga implementations of government para sa safety ng mga tao during crisis, it was obviously affected the various of companies here. But on the half of 2020, syempre, medyo naka-adjust na yung tao. Dahil sa Philippine Foundation is nag-start na namang mag-improve at mag-increase yung profits. So, pagdating ng 2021, yung improvement of profits ng company ay mas nagiging better. And in 2022, the expectations of the company will be on further improvement na. And that's all for the Chapter 1 and Chapter 2. Thank you, everyone.
Chapter 3, the credit collection management of the ASA lending company. When we say credit and collection management, it is critical for optimizing customer relationships, minimizing risk, and maximizing cash flow. In ASA lending, what is cost of credit of their company? It is financing, evenly divisible by 1,000. Example, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, or 5,000. It is no upfront deduction. Example, if the loan is 5,000, then this exact amount will be released. The initial loan ranges from 6,000 to 10,000 depending on the borrower's business or capacity to repay. The cost plus is 15% for 6 months. Payments are made weekly, 50 pesos for every 1,000 pesos borrowed by the client. There are 23 equal weekly payments made for each cycle of 6 months. So how do they collect? The collecting of this is through online because nowadays all transactions can be in through technology for a long process. They can be collected immediately upon its processing. And also papers is very important to be required. And what is the problem of their collection? The problem with their collection is the technique that they applied to their customers. Knowing that their primary customers are usually farmers, small-time businessmen, and housewives. Collection through online may be difficult to apply in this setup. Some of them may not be familiar with online payments or don't have access to internet or the required technology.
Chapter 4, Conclusion. The basic objective of this study is to assisting the poor and improving the quality of their life through microfinance and other social services. It's their goal to provide financial services to help encourage entrepreneurs in nations to act on their ideas and obtain the financial tools available to do so. Also, ASA Philippines Foundation provides academic scholarship for deserving children of borrowers, but ASA does not have microinsurance. However, it provides free burial assistance as long as it's financially capable of doing so. So in these programs, they focus at awareness raising and group formation of the poor, aiming at integrated development through asserting rights of the poor, education, primary health, and credit for income generation. Recommendations. It helps the people in the community who are in needs of capital for business, and they give lowest interest rates with a long-term payment. And also, they offer educational loans payable in 1 year. They offer also a calamity loan, sanitary repair, water connection, and hospitalization. So the ASA lending provides academic scholarships for deserving children of borrowers. They also offer animal bites and recognizing the need of the poor for financial inclusion. They offer lending money with the lowest interest rate and a long-term payment.